For much of human history, the shape of the world was not understood through science, but through myth, geography, and imagination. Many ancient cultures believed the Earth had an edge, an outer boundary where the known world ended and the unknown began. This edge was not simply a distant place, but a symbolic frontier associated with danger, spirits, and forces beyond human control. The fear surrounding it came from both natural limitations and the mythological explanations used to interpret them. In ancient Mesopotamia, the world was depicted as a flat disk surrounded by a cosmic ocean called the Apsu. Beyond the inhabited lands lay regions of total darkness. Texts describe the world's boundaries as places where humans could not survive because the sun itself did not reach those areas. The fear of the edge came from the belief that crossing into this realm meant stepping into a space not meant for the living, a transition into the unknown waters that separated the world of humans from the world of gods and monsters. Greek mythology also shaped perceptions of the Earth's edge. Greeks imagined the farthest parts of the world as Okeanos, a massive river encircling the Earth. Herodotus and early writers described distant lands as places where reality blurred with myth. Beyond the known world lived the Hyperboreans, the Sumerians, and other mysterious peoples, but the true edge was thought to be a gateway to realms without light. The Greeks believed that such places could mark the entrance to Hades, the underworld. In this worldview, the fear of the world's boundary came from the idea that it served as a threshold between life and death. In Norse mythology, the world was surrounded by Jormungandr, the great serpent of Midgard. Sailing too far into unknown waters risked reaching the serpent's domain, where the sea dropped into endless abysses. Norse sailors viewed the horizon as a hostile limit. Storms, darkness, and sea creatures were all interpreted through myth. For them, the edge of the world represented both physical danger and a confrontation with cosmic forces. Ancient Egyptians also incorporated edges into their worldview. They believed the sun god Ra traveled beyond the known world each night, entering the Duat, a realm filled with serpents, spirits, and obstacles. The edge of the world marked a passage into this hidden dimension, a place humans were not meant to reach. Across these civilizations, the fear of the world's edge came from the same source. It represented the boundary between the familiar and the unknown. Without knowledge of global geography, these cultures filled the gaps with myth, transforming distant horizons into symbolic spaces where natural danger and supernatural threat came together.